Welcome to the series Let Us Learn LaTeX. This is D. Venugopal from Banaras University. Today, this is the part 2 of mathematics in LaTeX. In the last lecture, we have seen that how to start math mode. Okay, inline mathematics starting with a single dollar or by backslash parenthesis and begin math and end math, or display by putting $2 or by backslash and the square bracket and begin display math and end display math. We have also seen how to obtain superscripts, superscripts and subscripts, etc., and also how to obtain square roots, nth root of nth square roots, etc., etc. Okay, some symbol, etc. Now in this lecture we will see how to typeset equations with equation number and all these things and some of the important things. Okay, for that there is a command named begin equation. Okay, begin equation and end equation. If you put anything in this begin equation and end equation, it will be automatically numbered from starting to 1, etc. We will say here ax plus by is equal to 0. Okay, let us compile it. The ax plus by, there is no difference whether you put it in the begin equation and equation or in double cylinder dollars and all these things. The only thing is you will get a additionally a number on your right hand side. Okay, if you want this number on the on your from right hand side to left hand side, we will put in the these options L EQ number, then we will automatically get this equation number here. There is no need to completely see and replace your equation numbers from one by one. Then to refer these equations, we give for each equation which we have to refer a label with backslash label, and I generally write equation for equations. If it is a figure, I write figure. If it is a table, I will write a table. And you can write 1, 2, 3 like this, or you can also refer to it by a specific name like equation, that is Einstein or heat, something like that. So once you give this label, you can refer to this equation in your text later on whatever page it will. Either you can write immediately or on the 10th page or 12th page by just typing. I am writing in equation. Okay, in equation generally equation numbers are put in parenthesis, so I am putting a parenthesis and I write it refer. Okay, and like this the Cartesian uh, plane is explained. Like this we can write. Now when we compile this, you will get the equation number automatically here. Then this is for a single equation. Suppose you want to solve an equation. Generally in solving equations there will be many steps. Okay, to write these steps we use generally begin equation array. Equation array is a environment created by this in LaTeX only. Okay, AMS Mathematics or American Mathematical Society generally doesn't encourage to write this equation array. So in equation array, I will write a simple equation a plus b, okay, whole square. Because I don't know much mathematics, that is why I am writing only what I learnt in my 10th class, 10th standard. Okay, a plus b whole square is equal to, it is ab into a plus b into A plus B. And to come into next line, we write this carriage line, carriage return symbol, that is two backslashes. And again, to get equation under equation, we put ampersand. Ampersand, we have, see, it is a tab character, okay, equal to, and ampersand again. Then we will say a square plus ab plus ab plus b square. Okay, again I am putting a carriage return symbol, that is two backslashes, and again I am putting and is equal to and. Okay, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now when we compile this, the equation is beautifully aligned like this. Okay, you see, and every line is numbered like this. Okay, if you don't want this number, then put a star symbol after equationary star number, and all the numbers will be removed. This is one situation. And sometimes you may need this equation number only to on a particular line. Then we will put, wherever you don't need any number, you put backslash no number. Okay, and on the second line also put no number. Remember to put this no number before the two backslashes, otherwise it won't come properly. Now see, only the equation number came here. Suppose you want to refer this to this equation number also, then we can put here, okay, label EQ2. Then I can refer to this equation just like above in equation, okay, ref part 1 2, we elaborated the dollars a plus b whole square closed is done. Then we can write like this, equation 2 elaborated like this. Now in American AMS math, suppose this star symbol in equation array is only coming, okay, but if you write in begin equation and equation with a star symbol, suppose you don't want this equation number but you want only this equation method, it will not work, okay, because uh, Lamport didn't define this equation with a starred version. For this you have to use some extra package called use package and AMS math. Okay, AMS math package is a American Mathematical Society's math package, and AMS symbol. AMS symbol is for some extra symbols like natural numbers, real numbers. If you want to get those symbols, you have to write AMS symbol. And also, if you want commutative diagrams to draw, AMS CD, or if you want to define various theorems, etc., AMS theorem. Okay, these you can use all these packages. You can use with a comma between them. There is no need to write each package in a separate line. So I just put here and here, and because I am not using this AMS CD and AMS math. Now when we compile this, equation also comes without the number. So if you want equation, starred version of equation, we have to use package AMS math. Okay, AMS symbol. Suppose we'll see what is the use of AMS symbol. Okay, put in dollars AMS, not AMS, math BB, okay, and put N. This is the symbol for natural number. Math BB Z, okay, or math BB R real number, and math BB W, like this. You can see when we write like this, you will get output like this. Okay. Suppose if you want math VB superscript minus, okay, or math VB superscript plus, you can obtain all these also. Okay, like this. And in mathematics, not only italics, sometimes mathematicians use notations in some weird methods like bold letters. If you want some bold letter, okay, suppose A plus B plus C. In this, suppose I want this B not italics, then I will write math, okay, SF. SF is sans serif, okay, or I can say math RM Roman C, or I can say math calligraphy, only capitals are available in calligraphy ABC, and if I want bold letters, math BF, okay, again C, or typewriter type letters, math TT C, okay. C, you will get like this, okay, SF sans serif B and C normal, then calligraphic, bold C and typewriter C. All this you can get with only these methods like math SF sans serif, math RM Roman, math cal calligraphy, math BF boldface, math TT typewriter type letters. Then suppose you want to typeset fractions, then we have to put frac. There will be numerator and denominator. Just typewrite it, take it and write the numerator, okay, A plus B plus C, like this, and denominator you put something like D plus E plus F, okay, again close with the dollar symbol. When you run this, you will get the, it is in the running mode. Suppose if I put double dollars or in display equation, then the entire method will be different. What happens? The equation will be a little bigger. You can vice versa get it in display system in text method and in text mode display method, like this also you can get. And one more thing I will put is the summation symbols and all these things how to get. So I am writing begin equation and end equation. Now I am writing see, just if I put a small parenthesis, okay, sum, and on superscript n is equal to 10, okay, in subscript I write n to 1 Okay, and 1 means that is n approaches to 1 in the mathematics balance. I don't know much mathematics. And then mod x subscript k and y subscript k, and then mod completed, and then after parenthesis I am giving a square to square. Okay, now when I compile this, you will get like this. See, parenthesis is smaller. Suppose you want a big parenthesis so that the entire summation symbol is covered, we will write backslash, okay, left, and here backslash right, and then when we compile it, you will get a suitable things. Suppose if I put another left and right, what happens? Suppose I put it here left, okay, and here I will say integral to superscript uh, r plus, okay, and subscript z minus, like this, okay, and I am closing it with a right parenthesis. See, the parenthesis, the first parenthesis is bigger than the second parenthesis. Like this, you can get appropriate size of the parenthesis by writing left and right. Then I will show some more thing like how to write this matrices. To get matrix, we have to put in the equation, begin equation and equation are double in math mode. First we have to start the math mode, whether it is a dollar symbol or anything. Then we will write begin, okay, P matrix and P matrix, and we can put A, okay, B and C. Come to second line, right, okay, D, E, F, G, H, I. Now we will compile. We compile because the dollar symbol is not given. That is why it is there. Now it will come. See, the matrix has come. In matrix we have various things like P matrix is for parenthesis. Suppose if I change this to B, immediately I will get a this square bracket. Okay, like this, if you want a vertical line, we will put a small v, and when we compile it, you get this vertical lines on both sides. And if you want a double vertical lines, we write here instead of small v, we put a big V. Immediately changed like this. And here also some extra symbols are there. Suppose you don't want to write some dots, okay, L dots. If we put L dots, we will get a continuation symbol like this, okay. Suppose I put another add here another line, okay, J, K, L, and here instead of L dots I can put V dots, okay. Then I will get vertical dots like this, okay. Suppose you want some other type of dots like D dots. You will get these diagonal dots, L dot, B dot and D dot. So this will be useful if you are explaining a big matrix with the continuation symbols and all these things. Okay. Now cases we will see how to typeset. Cases also, it should be first you have to start the equation mode. First begin equation and end equation. Here I am writing mod x is equal to, now I am starting here begin cases, end cases. I am writing x, mod x is equal to x, when I am writing here text, if, again put a dollar symbol so that you can go into math mode, x is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Now complete the text one, then put another dollar here. No, before that we have to put the dollar, and then here complete the text here, put two backslashes and minus x. Okay, again text with, see we are writing text here, then only you will get this if in regular mode, otherwise it will come in italics and everything will be jumbled up, there will be no space will come between the words. And x, le is less than or equal to, okay, 0 dollar, so it is complete. Now you have to put this, complete it. Now when we compile this cases is here, see. So in equation mode, if you want to write something in text mode, you have to put this is some explanation. If I write without putting text, what happens, you see, it will come like this. This is some explanation without any spaces, and also it is in italics because it is thinking it is math. So to distinguish that it is a text, you put backslash text symbol text and complete it in this postage brackets. Again when we compile it, it will properly come like this. This is some explanation. Understood? Okay. Now I will complete our lecture here. If you want to see how this works, you read the LaTeX tutorials primer. It is clearly given in the mathematics how to typeset and all these things, and go for the latest one, because in this old LaTeX tutorials there are many errors are there, and recently they have updated it and put it in Savannah website, that is Indian this Indian Tug one. I will give in tomorrow's lecture the actual place, and see math mode. It has given many types of systems how to typeset and what is the best way to typeset mathematics. And Graziner's more math into LaTeX. Graziner also prepared some video lectures. They are available on the um, website. Most probably on Tug website also it is available. And thank you very much for patiently listening to me. And in our next part, it will also be on mathematics, how to typeset in LaTeX, and see my book in Hindi LaTeX Ek Parchay, which is freely available on website www.script.com. Thank you very much. Thank you.